Guys, we got all soup. Actually, I don't know whether they can hear us or not. That's the thing. Testing, testing. Hello. Hey everybody, welcome back! In this Bangkok Diary series, my friends and I take on Bangkok and document some behind the scenes shenanigans, as it's been a while since we have visited Thailand. This is a sign for you to go on a spontaneous trip. We started the day bright and early and hop onto our 2 hour flight. Here, our 4-day 3-night journey begins. We're at Bangkok, finally. After scrambling through the crowds in the airport and finding a pickup point, we managed to hail a Grab and headed to our hotel. I went into this trip having zero expectations, as I just want to have fun and go with the flow. And lo and behold, did I have fun! We arrived at our atas hotel for the next few nights, and boy was I impressed. 5-star hotel. Check today, I'm a Singapore flag. Yes, indeed. Upon entering the room, we were greeted with natural sunlight beaming into the marble floors. The room was huge with 2 king beds and a sitting area. We fed our mobile devices with a quick room tour, and I gotta say, the views at level 36 are just chef's kiss. We were amazed at a spacious toilet with 2 large sinks and a huge bathtub, which became our TikTok video taking stage.
Hey, check out the bathtub. Check out the basin. Why got how do you do the TikTok inside?
Yeah, we should pop up from the bathtub.
We should we do the TikTok inside the
Wow. Why I can sit down some more?
Here we are at Central World exploring. So where are we gonna go?
Find something to eat lah.
So good.
You can be the 代言人.
This is a cheese meat.
Hey, take out your mask and lick it. As our hotel is directly connected to Central World, our hungry souls wandered around for a lunch spot and eventually settled at MK Restaurant, a value for money sukiyaki place. Guys, we're gonna eat this for lunch.
Yeah, we're so excited for this. Let me take it.
We guys, we got all soup. Actually, I don't know whether they can hear us or not. That's the thing. Why don't you go back and try? Test.
And then we talk so much.
Yeah, lah, we talk so much. Testing. Hello. Wow, look at that robot replacing all our jobs. First meal
It's perfect.
in Bangkok.
Sexy.
Wow, look at the porky. Oi. Oh my god, looks good.
Ups and hints.
Well, as many of y'all have already known, Mary J, the nickname for our substance, has recently been legalized here. And my friend's mom was just joking about how a leaf was looking so sus on top of the meat.
It smells whether got seaweed smell.
No, that one I think it's like
Smell.
no smell leh.
It's not like.
Oh my god, we damn talk on.
It smell again. I want to take photo. Freaking funny. Wait. Must show the plant first.
Yeah, I'm gonna smell something. I'm not even sure whether is it.
And here we go. Try.
No smell.
I have tried the meat, the shabu soup, the tom yum, the enoki.
That's basically
Okay, that's like it's like a 9 out of a 10.
wow.
Okay, solid.
She's a shabu soup fan.
Ah.
How about you, girl?
I did almost everything. I think it's quite nice. Maybe 7.
7.
I feel like
Where did the 2 points or 3 points go?
it's too garlic-ish.
Garlicky?
Yeah, garlic.
Don't have I don't taste it.
How about you, Cass?
I'll give it in between an 8. I like the pork. I think the pork not bad. It's not that bad.
The garlic-ish pork.
Yeah. I don't taste garlic, but I think it's not bad.
Meanwhile, she's enjoying. Nom nom. Do that again. Nom nom.
I must say, this first meal has really set the bar pretty high for our upcoming meals. We continue exploring Central World, well, mainly just popping by stores of familiar brands and doing what typical Singaporeans do best, comparing and guessing prices.
记得买那件衣服哎。
Okay, bye bye bye.
拜拜拜，谢谢你的支持。你是一个损友啊，有带你出来，我什么东西都要
Yeah,
买的。
I support consumerism. Oh my god, damn cute! Oh my god, it's gonna be damn expensive also. How much is it?
2700。
Wow. Why is it not focusing?
那种喂。
Can.
So 很好穿，很好摸。
How much is this? This looks expensive.
Make a guess. Guess.
It's 1.6.
No, it's more than 1.6. 2.4.
2.3.
No, it's close to 3. It's 2.7.
What?
We
Guys.
saw gentlewoman.
It's out.
Gentlewoman.
Her only motivation to come Bangkok.
No, that's not true.
Ah yes, gentlewoman. How could we possibly not enter on our first day here? The brand that has warmed the cockles of many young girls' hearts. Surprisingly, it wasn't as crowded. Maybe most people are in another outlet. It's like it was like so secondary school, like the diet shorts. It was cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this looks like
他不会，
plastic.
他不会。
Oh my god, look at these, look at these. Okay, that's the only thing that I'll
I
get.
think the white one nice.
Yeah, I'll get it white one.
The white one nice.
I didn't only just get that. I also got this and this from another outlet. This is the one that everyone carry.
美啊，这个。
这个每个人在新加坡戴的。
哎呦，我刚才在 airport 里面看到。
Yeah. Are you gonna get anything?
Test method. I think that one's quite cute. 这个美。
Guys, I'm gonna show you a top that I found. Okay, not bad. It was quite big though, but I think I just take mine.
I think you'll be happy.
Not bad.
Oh, the material not bad. Let me see how
Right,
much.
check
Okay.
here.
Yeah. It's 1,000.
Oh my god.
Get it?
Oh. Hey, damn cute eh? Oh my god, hey, hold it. Yeah, very cute right?
But what?
Nothing. It's okay.
What do you mean by it's not okay?
It's okay. Impracticality is a new trend. Oh my god, damn cute. You should get it. Just get it.
Let's see. Oh, the same as your headband.
Hey, not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. Hey, the size not bad.
You wear size or?
Got, but it's a bit heavy. You hold it.
Wow.
It's heavy, right? You go back and sell. Yeah. Sadly, we left the Central World outlet empty-handed and continue on with our shopping. But let me press back again. Okay.
So now Cass is gonna show you a magic. wait. Roll here, you woman. Reach your destination.
There was literally a Christmas wonderland outside the mall. We can't help but goof around with all the decorations, and some parts may or may not have become part of my friend's TikTok video. We found a what's this? Christmas
Merry
Wonderland. Where are we gonna go? You know, right?
No way in. You're too angry. Amazing models.
We entered this mysterious yet alluring scent store which sells, of course, everything scented, and began sniffing around. You get a pun there?
We are in a smell scent shop. Yes, let's take a look. Let's look at Cassandra. Where's Cassandra? Oh, we found Cassandra.
You see us?
Can
Alright,
close up view of her.
crazy.
There's many people in this shop.
This store is actually quite aesthetic.
Yeah. Oh, is that soap? Oh, shower gel. So weird. Oh, 很臭.
Aesthetic.
Sorry. Balm, lip balm.
Oh, this is not. Oh, this is solid perfume. Let me show you. Smell it, smell it. Some scents were pretty questionable and I almost scared.
后面有人啊 Very funny. 整车人看你 gag 不 That's it?
That's it.
For
Bye.
our scent
We
soul.
will show you where we're gonna go. Where we're gonna go later. Alright folks, this wraps up our first Bangkok vlog. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button for more Bangkok content to come. Toodles!